Okay, before you charge the Quad D filter with DE, make sure that the pump basket is clean. Okay, go ahead and turn the pump on. Whenever I add Diatomaceous Earth, I always wear a mask. And according to the installation manual, for a 60 square foot Quad D filter, they want you to add 6 pounds of Diatomaceous Earth. So 6 pounds of Diatomaceous Earth would be 12 of these 1 pound scoops. I use the Aladdin DE scoop. However, I prefer to go lighter on the Diatomaceous Earth in my Quad D filters. So I'm going to put 4 pounds of Diatomaceous Earth in this filter. I run them lighter and they seem to run a lot better with less Diatomaceous Earth in them. So go ahead and get a bucket and fill it with some water. We'll go ahead and make a slush out of the Diatomaceous Earth. So since I'm only putting 4 pounds of Diatomaceous Earth in here, I'm going to put 8 scoops in here. I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. Okay, now go ahead and pour the Diatomaceous Earth slowly into the skimmer. And I have 3 of these Quad D filters on my pool route. I really like them because they're very easy to clean and maintain, and they leave the water crystal clear every week. InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of swimming pool tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.